Yo, what's up, everybody? My name is Kaylee, and today I'm gonna be playing. Today I'm gonna be playing some Roblox on a phone, you know. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and make sure to comment. Well, make sure to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell button if you haven't. But maybe after this, I'm gonna do some YouTube. You know. So today we're gonna be playing some Pizza Factory Tycoon because I think it's now interesting because there's like 2 of the Pizza Factory Tycoons, and you get diamonds to get ingredients. So yeah, let's just watch this. So he rushes and goes to work. I'll just play. So, like, yeah, it looks a lot more different than you guys expected because I used to play this and you guys should already know. And as you guys see, I got this. I got cashews. Look at this. I got lots of pizzas. I have barbecue sauce and bacon. Cool. Pizza.
You have home cooking today, really?
No. Okay, so let's see what you got. The super premium rich person pizza, please. Okay. The cool pizza. So you got the cool pizza, and then the super premium rich pizza thing. I don't know why I named like the premium. Isn't there there's no deluxe. What else do you need? Oh, you need the same pizza, huh? You would like the pepper pizza? Pepper pizza! You need a lot of pizzas, kid. I don't know what to call him. Okay, give me my... Okay. Oh my gosh, you need so much. Do you need just a premium pizza? Yes. Do you need a pepper pizza? Yes. This is going so good. I think you want something else. No, never mind. Oh my gosh. This is awesome. I need cashews, and I'm leaving, you guys. Wait a second. I didn't know there was 2 floors. Can you have the pepper pizza? Yeah, sure. Make sure you don't eat anything else because you're just going to be wasting your own money. He's the rich. You need the most expensive pizza, which is the super premium rich person pizza. You're crazy. Do you need the super premium rich person pizza? Wow, that's the most expensive, by the way. You're just being crazy. I'll just put this away. Take all what you need. Oh wait, there is actually the pizza palace. And then I'll buy this. I got a pizza bike! Oh. I have a lot of gems. Can I have the cold pizza, please? Okay, that's out of the most cheapest. So you want the super premium rich person? Oh my gosh. Why are these people so rich? Like, I don't understand, yo. What? Okay, I'll put this away because I isn't able to use it. What? Okay. Here, so you got my pepper pizza. Cool pizza. I think I'm gonna need to reset. I actually never played Roblox on a phone before. So let's go to my pizza palace. Let's see what it could do. So you want the pepper pizza? You want the pepper pizza too? The cool pizza. Okay, so hey guys, I just got a charge for this. I don't know why it runs out. The battery runs out so quickly, but don't worry, I'll save your phone. Oh, phew. So right now I'm in. Oh my! The super premium rich person pizza is just for you. No, if you guys stay here, you could just get locked out whenever I close. So now I'm just gonna go get, well, I'll just go get some new food, but I'm not sure where the food is. Okay, now I remember. You waste your food on diamonds. So, sweet ingredients. Oh my god, that's very cool. I actually never seen these before. Chocolate sauce, chocolate chunks, brownie, cookies, banana, strawberries. Cream! Cream! That's what I need! Cream! Oh, can I get out? Yeah, thanks. Give me my normal ingredients list, please. What can I get? Meatballs are not too cool for me. Next page. Well, pepper, no. I think I want some ham. And then I want some sausage. No, maybe mushrooms. Now I got a lot of food. I'm just gonna leave. I actually never played Roblox on a phone, if you guys didn't know. Maybe I've told you twice, and you guys already know. But yeah, I actually never knew how to play Roblox on a phone yet, and this is kind of like my first time. And it's like almost the same thing how you play on an iPad. Okay, so everyone is just going crazy, and they're like dinging an invisible bell. You want the premium pizza? I'm giving you the oh, I gave the wrong pizza. Okay, guys, I'm sitting. I don't really need diamonds, but even though if I don't need diamonds, I still need them for new ingredients. So yeah. Okay, so if you want the premium pizza, that'll cost me 15 gems. If you want premium pizza, it costs 15 gems. Like I said. you. Can I have the cheese pizza? No. Fine, I'll give you it. You want the pizza, like right now? You might not be rich. You guys also want the pepper pizza? It's not the cheapest. Wait. And then... Ooh. They've wasted a lot of money now. And this is going to be more for the rest of the budget. Why is there so much people coming here? You know, this isn't the time where I gotta sell food to every person. Let's buy some cashews. A phone. I need phones. Yes, yes. Yeah, so more customers come here. They're gonna be cashiers, so that's gonna be good. La la la. And this is the best day now. I got no stuff to do. I have my cashiers. Okay, now I'm going to add some barbecue sauce first, and then some olives, some mushrooms, some ham, some pepperoni. Okay. Roll. Most expensive. Finish. Hello, what did you like? Can I have, hold on. What does it say? Can I have cold pizza, please? Delivered to house 1. So you want the cheapest pizza? I can see. Yeah, it is the cheapest pizza. The cool pizza is one of the most cheapest. So maybe you're not wasting too much money. Come on, click. I guess I gotta go through the front door instead. 3 out of 3.2 stars? Are you kidding me? Ah! Stop. How are you supposed to drive this thing? Stop. This thing is crazy, to be honest. This is house 3, this is house 2, and I'm pretty sure this is house 1. So, how do we get the pizza? Come on, get the pizza. Can I have my peppermint? Come on, no! Are you kidding me? I could have just walked. No. But anyways, you guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe or like. That's what I said in the beginning. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell button if you have to see what's new on this channel. So yeah, bye guys. Oh my god. Oh, and yeah, hold on for a second. If you guys also want to download my screen recorder here, it's called Screen Recorder. If you guys want to download it, It's in the link of the description down below. So yeah.